आपकी ड्रेसिंग पे हेल्प करते हैं, आपके ग्रूमिंग, आपके एटिकेट्स, आपके मैनरिज्म्स, a lot of them even do like a lot of like body language, its hair, your skin care. अगर आप अपना वो ध्यान रखेंगे ना तो automatically whatever trends change you will adapt. One way to always stay updated is make efforts for your outfit. तो अगर आपका ग्रूमिंग सॉर्टेड है ना तो आप कपड़ों के साथ काफी कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो. इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट आप कितना एक्सपेंसिव पहन रहे हो, योर लाइफस्टाइल, योर ओकेजन. And then the last one would be to know your body. That because at night your skin is repairing. In fact, even men can do it if they want to put the effort.
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ મિત્રો, કેમ છો? મજામાં ને? હું છું જીનલ અને આપનું સ્વાગત છે આપના મનપસંદ કાર્યક્રમ ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ગુજરાતમાં. હવે મિત્રો એવું હોય કે દરેક સવારે વ્યક્તિ જ્યારે ઉઠે અને ક્યાંક બહાર જવા માટે નીકળે ત્યારે એકવારે પોતાની જાતને અરીસામાં ચોક્કસથી જોતો હોય અને એટલીસ્ટ એવું તો વિચારે જ કે ભલે આપણે બહુ જ જોરદાર નથી લાગતા, પરંતુ એટલા સારા તો લાગવા જોઈએ કે કોઈ એક વ્યક્તિની નજર 2 સેકન્ડ માટે આપણા પર ઠરી જાય, રાઈટ? તો હવે આજે આપણી સાથે જે ગેસ્ટ જોડાયા છે ને એ આપણી સાથે આવી જ વાતો કરવાના છે અને એમણે આ જ વાતમાં ફેશન સ્ટાઇલિંગમાં ખૂબ બધું કામ કર્યું છે અને આટલું જ નહીં, એ ખૂબ સારા કન્ટેન્ટ ક્રિએટર છે અને એક એન્ટરપ્રેનર પણ છે. એટલે મલ્ટી ટેલેન્ટેડ પર્સનાલિટી કહીએ ને એવી વાત છે. તો ચાલો ત્યારે વધારે વાર ના કરતા એમની સાથે આપણે ઘણી વાતો કરવાની છે, એટલે આપણે સ્વાગત કરીએ આપણા અતિથિનું, હિના સોમાણેનું.
Thank you so much. That was a beautiful introduction. Thank you.
હેલો મેમ, હાઉ આર યુ?
Good, very well, thank you.
सो एज आई से कि भाई हमें लोग को हमारी जो सुबह होती है वो काफ़ी नॉर्मल होती है, लेकिन यू आर अ फैशन स्टाइलिश, राइट? अने तो आपकी जो सुबह है वो कैसे होती है, कैसे शुरू होती है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप बताइए.
मेरी भी सुबह क्वाइट नॉर्मल ही है.
Okay.
बट व्हाट आई लाइक टू डू इज मैं सबसे पहले सुबह को अपने इनर वर्ल्ड पे वर्क करना पसंद करती हूँ.
Okay.
सो सबसे पहले बनाए वेक अप, मैं जर्नल करती हूँ हाफ एन आवर.
Oh.
And then I do 10 minutes of meditation and maybe 30 minutes of any kind of movement, gym, or just go for a walk. And then for about like half an hour I like to read. Is beach mein I'll just make like a small turmeric saffron tea for myself and just that helps me de-bloat and then just normal your shower, your skincare, and depends on what the routine is, then that's how it is. But my mornings are for my inner world.
सो यू आर अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर, यू आर अ फैशन स्टाइलिश एंड अ एंटरप्रेनर. तो ये तीनों चीज़ें अभी आप एक साथ कर रहे हो, तो व्हाट इज़ द इंस्पिरेशन बिहाइंड इट? कि क्या आपको इंस्पायर करता है या ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जिससे आपको किक मिलती है?
किक मिलती है क्रिएशन से. इट कैन बी एनी फॉर्म ऑफ क्रिएशन, राइट? फॉर मी एक आउटफिट को साथ में डालना is a creation. For me, putting it together is a form of creation. So that's my inspiration point. And when you love doing something, I'm sure you relate. जब आपको कोई चीज़ से इतना प्यार है, it doesn't feel like I'm doing something.
Right.
And with time, you develop different aspects of it. Like जब मैंने start किया था, it was just fashion styling. Then I did image consulting. फिर उसके बाद मुझे लगा let me do workshops. Then I went on to content creation. उसके through I realized there's a potential to do a brand. So things then develop. So your like your playing field is एक ही. But उसके अंदर you start doing different aspects. So as you grow, you'll evolve. So that's what it's been for me. I just genuinely love dressing up.
Okay.
Just love it.
Okay. So you have said image consulting,
Yes,
right?
yes.
What is it? और उसमें क्या होता है?
So in image consulting, basically image consultants help you आपके ड्रेसिंग पे हेल्प करते हैं, आपके ग्रूमिंग, आपके एटिकेट्स, आपके मैनरिज्म्स. a lot of them even do like a lot of like body language. It's a lot of what colors look good on you, what body shape पे क्या कपड़े जाते हैं. So there's a lot of theory to it. But a lot of image consultants help individuals कि वो अपने goals कैसे faster achieve कर सकते हैं through their outer appearance and develop their confidence.
Okay. और आपके लिए फैशन फिलोसॉफी क्या है?
Fashion philosophy for me is to be yourself, to truly be yourself and be confident in your own skin. That's my biggest fashion philosophy. And when you're confused, just go for classics. That's what I believe in.
और अभी ऐसा है कि वी आर सो मच फास्ट फॉरवर्डिंग राइट, कि अभी एक ट्रेंड आज चल रहा है तो कल शायद वो ट्रेंड खत्म हो जाएगा, कुछ भी हो जाएगा। तो ये जो फास्ट फॉरवर्डिंग है या हमारी फास्ट लाइफ है जिसमें ट्रेंड बहुत जल्दी चेंज होते रहते हैं, तो उसमें खुद को कैसे हम अप टू डेट रखें या कैसे खुद को ऐसा दिखाए कि भाई चलो ओल्ड फैशन तो हम नहीं ही लग रहे हैं।
That's a good question. So see, there's one thing, right? Looking good, and by looking good, I mean making efforts अपने dressing में is never going to be outdated.
Yes.
So that effort will show. The biggest thing is to stay updated with your grooming, your hair, makeup for women, more or less makeup, but for its hair, your skin care. अगर आप अपना वो ध्यान रखेंगे ना, तो automatically whatever trends change, you will adapt. You will adapt. You'll know small things are coming, small things are going. So this will always keep you on track. And in terms of clothing, you can always stay updated through social media. There's just so much information right now. There's multiple जगहों से आप सीख सकते हो. But one way to always stay updated is make efforts for your outfits. Make efforts for your looks, and that will automatically keep you updated.
ओके, सो नाउ आई वांट टू आस्क कि क्या होता है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे रूल होते हैं कि अगर आप फैशन ब्लॉगर हो या फिर आप फैशन स्टाइलिश हो तो आपको ये रूल अप्लाई करना होगा। अगर आपको अच्छा दिखना है, अगर आपको फैशनेबल दिखना है तो आपको ऐसे रहना होगा, हाई हील्स पहननी होगी, ऐसे ही बैठना होगा। तो ऐसा कौन सा कोई एक रूल है जो आपको हमेशा ब्रेक करना अच्छा लगता है या फिर आप करते ही हैं?
No, I actually don't believe in the rules, to be honest, because as such ये सब rules हमने ही बनाए हैं कि you know heels पहनना है, ये पहनना है, and honestly when I started, जब मैंने 10-15 साल पहले इस करियर में चालू किया था, तब एक्चुअली हम लोगों को सिखाते थे ये थियोरी है, ये रूल्स है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम एक एग्जांपल दूंगी, जैसे एक बॉडी शेप है, अगर आप बॉटम हैवी हैं और ऊपर से पतले हैं तो सब बोलते थे प्रिंटेड पैंट्स मत पहना करो, डार्क कलर्स ही नीचे पहनने चाहिए, लाइट कलर्स मत पहना करो। बट विद टाइम अभी बहुत बॉडी इंक्लूसिव कंटेंट भी आ गया है, सब कॉन्फिडेंट हो गए हैं, तो रूल्स ऐसा जब अप्लाई होते नहीं है। लाइक आजकल वेडिंग्स पे लोग फैंसी स्नीकर्स पहन रहे हैं, तो फिर ऑनेस्टली रूल्स का कोई वो रहा नहीं है। एंड तो एनीवे सब ब्रेक कर ही रहे हैं। सो फॉर मी दैट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम नॉट अ रिबेल इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर इज अ रूल आई नीड टू ब्रेक, but what I like to do is I like to be myself, like where in what I'm feeling comfortable. That's something that I always do. अगर कोई ऐसी जगह है जहाँ ड्रेस कोड है, जहाँ मैं कंफर्टेबल उस आउटफिट में नहीं होंगी, then I'll find a way to be comfortable and follow that.
अच्छा,
so I always like for me the rule is to be comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah.
और अभी अगर कोई ऐसा इंसान है जिसको फैशन की कोई सेंस नहीं है, पर उसे एटलीस्ट उतना तो पता ही होना चाहिए कि आप ये करोगे तो आप थोड़े अच्छे दिखोगे, या फिर ऐसा कि ओके इट इज़ गुड, ऐसी कौन सी बातें हैं जो सबको जाननी चाहिए? पहले आप मेल के बारे में बताइए, फिर फीमेल के बारे में।
Okay. A common thing for male and female would be skin care.
ओके,
एक ना स्किन केयर का नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है, भले बेसिक ही सही, because that keeps your that because see skin is the outermost layer of your body, it's like the biggest organ you have, and सबसे ignored है, सबको ऐसा लगता है कुछ भी करेंगे चलेगा, but that is how you see lot of skin problems have started coming, people have started getting pores, pimples. So एक स्किन केयर रूटीन सबसे ज़्यादा important है for both. For both it's important, hair is mainly important for both. मेकअप फॉर विमेन दैट हेल्प्स यू, आपको एक ग्रूमिंग के लिए ना एक एज मिल जाता है। अगर आपको एक बेसिक मेकअप भी आ जाए ना, सो ये तीनों चीज़ें आ जाती है ग्रूमिंग के कैटेगरी के अंडर, राइट? तो अगर आपका ग्रूमिंग सॉर्टेड है ना, तो आप कपड़ों के साथ काफ़ी कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सकते हो। इट्स नॉट इवन अबाउट आप कितना एक्सपेंसिव पहन रहे हो, अगर आपने कुछ अफोर्डेबल भी पहना है या कुछ सिंपल भी पहना है, पर अगर आपका ग्रूमिंग अच्छा दिख रहा है, लाइक यू विल सी पीपल वेयरिंग सिंपल ब्लैक टी शर्ट एंड ब्लैक पैंट्स, बट इवन सेलिब्रिटीज आप देखोगे जब एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकलते, दे आर इन जीन्स एंड लाइक यू नो शर्ट्स, बट यू विल नेवर सी अ सेलिब्रिटी वेयर हेयर इज नॉट डन, मेकअप इज नॉट डन, that's always done. So if your grooming is done well, half your work is already done. And for male and female, my biggest tip would be to know आपकी lifestyle क्या है. See, because you know there's आप बहुत सारे stylist को देखोगे बोलेंगे you should always have a white shirt, you should have a black pants, this. But अगर वो चीज़ आपके lifestyle में fit नहीं करती तो there is no point. Like for example, you work at a corporate job, it makes sense for you to have these 5 things.
Yes.
For me, I work in fashion. Every day is very different. तो जब मैं नई नई इसमें घुसी थी तो मैंने क्या बहुत बड़ा सा कॉर्पोरेट वार्डरोब जाके सबसे पहले जाके सूट्स ले लिए, ये ग्रे कलर का सूट, ब्लू कलर का सूट, एंड आई रियलाइज आई कैन नेवर वेयर देम बिकॉज मेरे पास कोई ओकेजन ही नहीं है।
हाँ.
तो आप बिना अपनी लाइफ स्टाइल को देखे आप इन्वेस्ट करने जाओगे, दैट्स अनदर विल टेक यू बैक। सो नो योर लाइफ, योर लाइफ स्टाइल, द ओकेजन्स यू हैव इन योर लाइफ। अगर आपकी लाइफ में इतना सोशलाइजिंग नहीं है, सिंपल है, what will you do with heavy outfits? There's no need, right?
Yes.
So just because everybody is doing it, it doesn't make sense.
Yes,
So
right.
your lifestyle, your occasions, and then the last one would be to know your body. That's very very important. One, what you are comfortable with, and two, everybody has a beautiful palette of colors that looks good on them. तो एक वो थोड़ा study कर ले, and आपके body shape पे अगर if you can nail ये अच्छा लगता है तो एक फॉर्मूला बन जाएगा कि ये मेरे पे हमेशा ही अच्छा लगता है। सो इट्स लाइक अ नो ब्रेनर यूनिफॉर्म दैट यू हैव मेड दैट यू कैन वेयर एवरी डे।
ओके, तो अभी आपने स्किन केयर की बात कही है,
Yes.
तो ऐसी कोई बेसिक जो हम घर पे ही कर सकते हैं, ऐसी कोई स्किन केयर टिप्स आप दे सकती हो?
So basically 3 steps also if anybody and everybody can follow, which is your face wash. That's very important. And for women I would prefer an extensive one. But for men they can do like a face wash or moisturizer and an SPF, which is your sunscreen.
Yes.
If these 3 things you do, your skin will be in a good condition.
Okay.
For women, I would suggest to add a serum, and at night to take care little bit extra and have special night creams, because at night your skin is repairing. In fact, even men can do it if they want to put the
Yes.
effort. It's just only few men want to put that
Yeah,
effort.
right.
So that's like a shortcut. And if you can, then these slightly few more products like sunscreen, your extra serums, they really really help. And you can of course consult a dermatologist, they are the best, but basic se basic, these 3 steps are very important.
Okay. So is there any celebrity or around your any family member और कोई जिसकी फैशन सेंस आपको हमेशा इंस्पायर करती हो, या फिर आपने वहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन लिया हो कभी भी, ऐसा कुछ?
In celebrities, I would say Kareena Kapoor. I think she's a
Okay.
classic. She's always stayed updated जैसे जैसे time change हुआ, and what the reason I like her fashion and which I relate to also is there are few things. It's modest. It is timeless, but it is not outdated. It's still trendy. So it's a very beautiful mix of trendy and timeless, which I absolutely love. So in celebrities, I would say that. In terms of people around me, it's my mother. We both are like very similar in terms of this. So we kind of talk and exchange ideas on styling. So that would be one person.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as a content creator, what it takes to create a viral worthy content, और या फिर मैं ऐसा बोलूँ कि ऐसा कौन सा पॉइंट होना चाहिए आपके कंटेंट में जो उसे वायरल करे?
So I have a little bit of a different opinion, right? Virality is something आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो और आप viral हो सकते हो, right? Like you could just be dancing at a random public spot and that could become viral. And that is, I'm talking about if you're a dancer and you've developed that skill is different. But randomly also you could. So virality से ज़्यादा I would say is value based content.
Okay.
Is what I believe in can keep you sustain in the business. Virality can give you that one boost of a video, and then you know you might be forgotten after that trend is gone. But a sustainable value base अगर आप कुछ अपने audience को दोगे, they'll keep coming back to you. Like I can take my example for that. I've been doing this for 10 years. I've seen all kinds of numbers. We've seen millions happen, and we've seen thousands happen, and we've seen hundreds also happen. Yet in 10 years, if people have met me, they know that I'm doing this because I've consistently stuck to my ground of providing value. So that keeps you on the track for longer, and I think that itself is viral in itself. But basically you have to be consistent. Yeah, you have to be consistent to your craft.
So next question is related to sustainability, right?
Yeah.
कि अभी क्या है कि फैशन ट्रेंड बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो रहे हैं, तो अभी अगर मैंने 1 महीने पहले कुछ खरीदा होगा तो वो अभी आज कोई रिलेवेंट नहीं होगा, या फिर आई फील सडनली कि ठीक है अभी ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, ये नहीं पहना. ऑल्सो यू हैव से कि मैंने 4-5 सूट्स या ब्लेजर्स खरीद के रख लिए और कभी नहीं पहने हैं, तो ऐसा कहीं को बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ होता होगा. तो वो सस्टेनेबिलिटी और ये जो क्लोथिंग का हमारा जो वेस्ट है उसको आप कैसे देखते हो?
I personally don't get into it because ये सब, like I said, I used to do this 10 years back. Now I'm very conscious कि मैं क्या ले रही हूँ.
Okay.
So even for example, I'm wearing something so bright and loud. I know I have 15 occasions I can use it for.
Okay.
Right? You know, I've used it for a shoot. I've used it for a brunch party. I'm using it for an interview.
Yes.
So with my style and my life, it works at many places. So एक ना जब आप कुछ shopping कर रहे हो, think of will this work for me for few years and at a few occasions,
Okay.
and that will decrease your waste automatically. And also investing in some classics, that really helps because वो कभी नहीं waste होगा. आप 3 साल के बाद भी वो shirt निकालोगे, वो अच्छी लगेगी. So trendy items ना हमेशा limited रखो. You don't go all out, like don't go and buy 20 trendy things because they will go for a waste.
Right, right.
And they will come back at some point. But in that moment, they are a bit of a waste. So I would say stick to classics, and of course see what works for you. I personally, for me, what works is मैं इसका use कितना निकाल सकती हूँ.
right.
So if I can take out the use, for me it's worth it.
ओके डन. हम अभी और ज़्यादा बातें करेंगे, लेकिन अभी समय हुआ है એક છોટે સે બ્રેક કા. દર્શક મિત્રો, અત્યારે સમય થયો છે એક નાનકડા વિરામનો, પરંતુ મળીએ વિરામ પછી અને હજુ વધારે વાતો કરીશું હિનાબેન સાથે અને હજુ વધારે ટિપ્સ લઈશું. મળીએ વિરામ બાદ. વિરામ બાદ આપનું સ્વાગત છે અને હવે ફરીથી અવનવી વાતો જાણીએ હિનાબેન પાસેથી. સો બિફોર ધ બ્રેક યુ સેડ ક્લાસિક. So what does mean classic to you?
Classic to me is basic things, like for a woman I would say is a few classic black dresses, black trousers, white shirt. These are traditionally classic clothing. So classics mein wo aa gaya. But what I just said earlier about your lifestyle. So for me classic also is a pair of jeans, some t-shirts. For me classics also is some white dresses. तो आपके लाइफस्टाइल के हिसाब से दोज क्लासिक्स विल ऑफ कोर्स चेंज, बट न्यूट्रल कलर क्लोथिंग इज मोर इन द क्लासिक कैटेगरी दैट विल लास्ट यू एक लंबा टाइम तक आपके पास, आप वो रख सकते हो और उसको रिपीट कर सकते हो. सी वाइट इज नेवर गोइंग आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड, ब्लैक इज नेवर गोइंग आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड, बेज, ब्राउन्स, दीज आर लाइक यू नो न्यूट्रल टोन्स. ऑल्सो क्या होगा ना, अगर वो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ आउट ऑफ ट्रेंड चला भी गया, वो कलर्स ऐसे हैं कि आप दूसरी चीज़ों के साथ पेयर करके उसको हमेशा यूज़ कर सकते हो. So those are classics for me जो लंबे टाइम तक they will stand the test of years.
अच्छा, ओके. तो अभी अगर मुझे थोड़ी सी टिप्स मेरे लिए चाहिए कि अभी मेरे जैसा स्किन टोन हो अगर किसी को, तो उसको कौन से कलर पहनने चाहिए ज़्यादा?
So best for Indian skin tone. So color theory के ना काफ़ी points होते हैं. One is the contrast between your skin color, your hair color, your eye color and your lip color.
Okay.
And of course your natural blush. So आप देखेंगे ना काफ़ी even if you have a wheatish skin tone but you have light colored hair, अगर आपने highlights करा के रखे हैं, so the color palette for you will now completely change.
Yeah.
So for example with you like dark brunette hair and skin tone, I would say jewel tone colors, like think of sapphire, ruby,
Okay.
Your like you know soft pink. These are the colors that will always, any kind of jewel tones, even like purple, these are colors that any, just think of jewelry के जो stones के color होते हैं ना,
okay.
so that palette will work beautifully for you because वो जो आपके face और hair का contrast है उसको match करेगा. So that's one way to see it. So you will see if you have a darker skin tone and light is also hair, तो आपको contrast कम हो गया ना hair और skin के बीच में. Then softer colors look good, like pastels, light colors. So like my mother, she's colored her hair and has a darker skin tone. So for her, it's actually a myth that darker skin tones को हमेशा bright color पहनना है. Now that she has started wearing like nude and light pink, she doesn't like any other colors.
Okay. तो अभी वेडिंग सीजन चल रहा है, तो अभी ब्राइडल लहंगा जो होते हैं उसमें आप कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे कि अभी क्या ट्रेंड में है, या फिर अभी 26 की जो ब्राइड होगी जो फरवरी या मार्च में वो शादी करने वाली है, उनको क्या आप टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
My biggest tip for like a bridal is don't overspend on your trousseau. थोड़ा सा limited trousseau हमेशा लेना चाहिए because your life will change after a year.
Yeah, right.
So you know you can always, and now we are at a, हम आजकल honestly ऐसे ज़माने में हैं जहाँ हम regular shopping करते हैं. पहले क्या होता था, हम साल में एक बार करते थे,
Right.
दिवाली पे करते थे, शादियों में करते थे.
yes.
Now we anyway do it regularly. So you can keep developing your wardrobe. In terms of your bridal functions, what I just जो मैंने आपको समझाया colors के बारे में, if they can understand their color palette, ये बहुत helpful रहेगा उनको अपने सारे फंक्शन के आउटफिट्स और वो कलर्स करने के लिए. सो वंस दे अंडरस्टैंड द कलर थियोरी, that would be very helpful. But right now a lot of multiple things are going on in the bridal like in terms of like bridal trends, I would say. Something that's beautiful is like for mehndi, people are liking a lot of Indian handicrafts.
Yeah, right.
So that is in trend. Bohemian is in trend. People are mixing like bohemian jewelry. That's really in trend. For cocktails, a lot of like diamonds and a lot of like bling. That's what is in trend. And for weddings, I would say there are two sorts of brides that I've seen. One is somebody who really likes that elegant, soft look, and then one who wants to do really traditional, like royal wedding, which
Yeah.
is your deep reds.
Yeah.
So understanding yourself, सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है. And these are some color palettes that are currently working really well.
ग्रूम के लिए कुछ
So groom has to always compliment the bride. That's their only tip. Just ask her what she's doing. So, but again, it's kind of similar, right? Is knowing your color palette is one of the biggest things. And yes, coordinating as a couple is also very important
Yeah.
because visually that's what is going to come. And I personally like you know, softer colors with deeper colors. So that's something that you can do where, you know, the bride can go for a deeper color and the groom is doing a softer color. Or you can also do like a matchy. So
Yeah.
either ways, that's one tip. But I think anything that ties both the couple together, that's a big one. And knowing your colors. Yeah.
सो ये हमने फैशन की बातें कर ली, कंटेंट क्रिएटिंग की भी बातें कर ली. अभी आते हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप पे, बिकॉज यू हैव अ योर ओन ब्रांड, राइट. तो वो आपने कब शुरू की और व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस? अगर किसी को शुरू करना है खुद का ब्रांड, तो उसे मेंटली कितना प्रिपेयर होना पड़ेगा?
That's a very good question. So I started it about 4 years back. Matlab my paperwork started a little bit longer, but I would say like roughly 4 years. My idea, so basically मेरा जो brand है, we do accessories, we do jewelry and accessories. And my idea to start this was because I love styling. And I truly believe आप एक basic outfit को बिना, if you have the right jewelry accessories, you can convert it to anything.
Yes.
Like I'm somebody who's worn a white shirt to a fancy party,
Yeah.
if you know how to style it, right? So I believe that's why I started an accessory brand, because I truly believe in its power. My idea was to give an accessible pricing, but that's extremely premium quality. So it's not like your super cheap jewelry and it's not as expensive as real. So this is like a middle ground to it, which I think is a huge gap, because either you have to spend too much and the cheaper doesn't give you any quality,
Yeah.
but the mid one really lasts you longer as well and doesn't burn your pocket. Now, what challenges I faced? There was a lot of challenges. I mean, what I would suggest people is एक idea आपका unique और एक USP आपका unique होना चाहिए, because अभी we are at a phase where बहुत कुछ already exist करता है. So having something different is very big. Having a very strong storytelling, I think storytelling should be strong. And for me, the personal challenges were just to understand how a business works. उसका जो back end है, basically for me the back end was the challenge, because हमेशा से मैंने क्या styling, camera, I've done all of that, but to like sit with the accounts and admin, and I was like, oh God, this is not what I thought, you know. So that's where the challenge really is, where understanding a lot of things, staff management, how you're going to be a leader. There's a lot of, every day one of your staff members is going to have something. So there's a lot of management skill that come with it. So for me, that was a growth that I had to do, and that is a learning curve that I had to do for my business to be where it is.
So is there any particular experience कि जब बहुत ही setbacks हो गया हो कि अब आप ये बोल रहे हो कि अभी हो ही नहीं रहा है, करना ही नहीं है, एंड देन कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो कि नहीं नहीं अभी करना है, अब तो मैं कर ही लूंगी, ऐसा कुछ कोई एक्सपीरियंस?
It's happened both in content creation and my entrepreneur journey. In content creation, एक phase था जब suddenly after COVID there was just a lot of there was a lot of clutter online.
Yeah.
There still is, but at that point there was just a lot of suddenly there was new clutter coming up.
यस.
And at that point मुझे ऐसा लगा यार अब थक गए हैं, like I've done this for too long and I'm too tired in being in front of the camera. But then I realized at that point two things. This is where your inner work, जो थोड़ा कहते हैं ना कि अपने अपने आप के साथ बैठना तब बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है.
Right.
बिकॉज तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ ये मुझे इसके लिए फील हो रहा है क्योंकि मैं नंबर्स देख रही हूँ. आई फॉरगॉटन द जॉय ऑफ क्रिएटिंग. मैं पहले सिर्फ क्रिएशन के लिए क्रिएट करती थी. मुझे एक वीडियो बनाने में मजा आता था, एक लुक क्रिएट करने में मजा आता था, एक लुक को एक अच्छे से स्टाइल कैसे करूँ वो मेरा जॉय था. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई स्टार्टेड लुकिंग एट द नंबर्स. I was thinking about the events and the money. And the minute I thought, reminded myself that I do this because I love it.
Not for the money
So
or
there,
the-
yeah, so then that inspiration automatically never went anywhere. And one thing I always did, even if I had this internal chatter going on, I have shown up. In
Okay.
15 years, every single day I have shown up to work.
ओके. सो अभी आपने बोला कि अभी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, एवरी सेकंड पर्सन इज अ फैशन स्टाइलिस्ट और फैशन ब्लॉगर, और वो कुछ ना कुछ एडवाइस देते ही है, ठीक है. बट यू हैव स्टडीड इट और आपने बहुत सारी मेहनत की है, 5 साल उसमें लगाए हैं. तो हाउ डू यू फील व्हेन समवन लाइक कोई भी कुछ भी बोल दे, और अगर सही है तो ठीक है, वी अप्रिशिएट इट, बट अगर गलत है तो हाउ यू टैकल दिस थिंग्स? कि अभी क्या होता है कोई भी कुछ भी बोल देता है, तो
Yeah.
उसको आप टैकल कैसे करते हो?
I ignore it. Simply put, there's nothing to do, right? See, it's like anything. हर चीज का एक pro है और एक con है,
Cons,
right?
right.
There's advantages that now the opportunity बहुत ज़्यादा है. I'm happy that industry is growing. पहले हमको हर एक ब्रांड को समझाना पड़ता था हम करते क्या है, अब समझाना नहीं पड़ता.
yes.
तो इन दैट वे देयर इज अ ह्यूज ग्रोथ एंड इट्स ग्रेट. हर एक के पास एक प्लेटफॉर्म हो गया एक्सप्रेशन का, विच इज गुड. In terms of credibility, yes, I think people should just be careful and ask themselves, am I credible enough to give advice? Because anything that जो आप डाल रहे हैं उधर, and if somebody takes that advice, is it relevant? Just pause and ask, is this needed? Is this relevant? Because I could be actually, like for example, skincare. I could actually be giving somebody wrong advice that might not work for their skin. So why do that to somebody else? I think that's the only thing. Otherwise, the industry growing is a great thing. I think more people, more opportunities, and as and when जैसे जैसे आगे जाएगा वो shift is gonna keep happening. So this is like life. It's a circle.
राइट. ओके. सो आपको कभी आपने ऐसे सोशल मीडिया बुलिंग फेस किया है या फिर नेगेटिव कमेंट्स हो, तो उसको आप कैसे टैकल कर रही हो?
I have actually. Touch wood, in my career of so many years, इतना नहीं फेस किया है मैंने दूसरों के जैसे, बिकॉज माई कॉन्टेंट हैज ऑलवेज बिन हमेशा फैशन के, स्टाइलिंग और एजुकेशन वैल्यू बेस्ड रहा है. सो God's grace इतना नहीं किया, but of course sometimes people will comment on your styling, this is not looking good, you should have paired this better, hair should have been this, that. So there are those some comments. Sometimes people comment about your body, you've gained weight, you've lost weight, when are you, this is happening, that is happening. Somebody's commenting on your age. So these are things that have happened. I have also faced cyberbullying where I had somebody who was known has started making accounts on my name and started putting things about my family and me and things like that. Nothing, you just complain to the cyber and these guys, and then it worked out, everything was fine. So these are, but how I tackled it, for your question, these were the examples. How I tackled it was, honestly, मुझे पता था that being in the public, I will bring something. I have to be thick skin.
Yes.
So mentally मैं थोड़ा prepared थी. That was one thing. Number two, यार in that moment तो बुरा लगा था. And I have cried. Sometimes when people have commented on your age or your body, it does hit you.
It hurts.
Now it doesn't, because I've just been too long and I know this is part of life. Like I remember we had done up a video, and we did not expect it. It had a bit of a backlash. But I took it as, you know what, I knew this was going to happen. Like, I can't predict everything. I'm just, as a human, I cannot predict every reaction. And I would always tell myself, अगर negative comments आ रहे हैं यानी you're on the right path. अब थोड़ा famous हो रहे हो. So, you're on the right path. But yeah, I mean, it bothered me, but I've learned to not take it to my heart.
Okay. So छोटा सा rapid fire round है.
Okay.
Let's go. Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Minimalist or glam?
Glam.
All-time favorite fashion icon?
Kareena Kapoor, like I mentioned.
One product you can't live without?
Oh, there's my mom makes this beautiful gold serum that I
Oh.
can't live without, because I think that's what my skin needs. Like, every time it's patchy, it works. Every time for my makeup base, I think that's one product I don't think I can live
Okay.
without.
Editing reel or clicking photos?
Both.
Oh.
Enjoy both.
Indian wear or Western?
I again, like, really both. Yeah, they're both very close to my
Yeah.
heart. But I genuinely think Indian wear is a bit more special.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Your go-to attire?
My go-to attire would be a flowy dress, something like this. What I'm wearing, quad sets, fun quad sets.
Okay. और अभी last question कि which things a girl should keep it in her bag? कौन सी चीजें रखनी चाहिए?
It'd be very funny if you see my bag. I was just thinking, what have I got? No, so of course, some feminine hygiene products is what I suggest, like wipes and having like your toilet seat sanitizer, or feminine products that you need is a must. I personally like to keep a lip gloss and a hand cream. For me, it's a must because I kind of get dry around here. And other than that, I think that these are like the basics. But if I take like a bigger bag, then I need a book, then I need a laptop, then I need everything. But if it's a smaller bag, then I think this one. It really depends on the size of the bag.
Okay. So next, the last question I will ask कि अगर किसी को फैशन ब्लॉगर बनना है तो उसको शुरुआत कहाँ से करनी चाहिए?
आई थिंक एक वॉइस ढूंढ ले अपना, एक ऑथेंटिक वॉइस कि आपको क्या देना है ऑडियंस को. दैट इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल बिकॉज अब जो मैं देख रही हूँ, टू हैव समथिंग डिफरेंट, मे बी लाइक यू आर अ सर्टन बॉडी टाइप एंड यू फील लाइक इस बॉडी टाइप के लिए कंटेंट कम है, इनको कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, या यू फील लाइक मेकअप का स्किल कम है. लाइक आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स नाउ naturally did not have good skin but are sharing their journey. So एक unique voice, yeah, like, and unique voice comes from whatever your pain point is, right, will
Yeah.
become your voice. So if you can just find that story, I think that's a good start to have, and just keep at it. I think consistency is above everything.
Okay. And आप किस में बिलीव करती हो? Being classic or go with the trend?
I believe in like a mix in terms of classic and staying updated. I wouldn't say trendy, but staying updated.
थैंक यू सो मच हिना मैम, आप हमारे साथ यहाँ पे आए और हमारी ये जो सुबह है उसे आपने स्टाइलिश बना दी और बहुत अच्छी अच्छी टिप्स दी.